Sherry Chrysler, located in Piqua, Ohio. Got a 2018 Ram ProMaster cutaway chassis that I put a Bay Bridge box on. This is a 3500 series. That's the heaviest series in the ProMaster that we have. We do have the wide exterior mirrors on it. We have just steel wheels on it and a heavy duty tire. Looking at the inside, it's got the cloth interior, cruise control. The steering wheel on this is a telescoping steering wheel only, in and out. Step up inside it. Does have a rear backup camera that shows up on the radio. Of course, air conditioning, power windows, power locks. 3.6 Pentastar engine with the automatic transmission. Now what we've done on this is we put a 14-foot by 7-foot box on it. We also have a ramp on this one that pulls all the way out. Just pulled it out a little here to show you. Door rolls up. Got a bulkhead in the front with access into the cab. With a 14-foot box, I've got 5 tie-down hooks on the side. Easily could put E-track in this, shelving. It's a great truck for somebody that's expediting packages. I've got a few people in them that are deliver candy and things like that to different vending machine areas. Got a vending company here in town that uses these trucks exclusively almost. As I walk up into the truck, I'm 6'1". My head easily clears the door when it's open. Plenty of height when you get past the door. You got a pine floor on it, insulated ceiling, insulated walls, I believe it's 16 inches on center studs on this. This is called a post and body application. Plenty of room in here. I measured one for a guy today and he said this got a whole lot of room. So, 14 by 7, you got a 3-year body limited warranty, and you've got the 1/2 inch front solid bulkhead, 12-inch ceiling liner, cargo lights through it, roll up rear door, grab handles, got your tie rings. Again, we've got 10, 5 on each side, and a 12-inch step bumper. With your ramp in, you could pull up to a loading dock and probably line right up. But the ramp does come all the way out, gives you plenty of access for rolling things in and out of there. The riveted sides are aluminum white. This thing's completely undercoated. And again, this is one of the many commercial vehicles we have here at Sherry Chrysler in Piqua, Ohio. And again, this is a 2018 Ram ProMaster. This is a cutaway chassis, Bay Bridge, 14 by 7 box. So for more information on this truck and the additional trucks in these Bay Bridges, I've got 12s, I got 14s, and I have a 15. Give Steve a call, 800-678-4188, extension 1192.